Hello children! In the last video, we learnt about some unique number patterns. In this video, we will learn to make number patterns using some more mathematical operations. Today, a unique game is being played in Champapur. Meenu and Bhola have taken part in this game. In the game, both of them have to complete the number pattern. The one who completes the number pattern correctly first will get 10 points. The game's organizer, Babban, showed them both these number patterns. Bhola and Meenu were shocked to see that number pattern. Both told Babban,
"There is no pattern in this. Are you joking, Babbanji?" "There is no pattern in this. Are you joking, Babbanji?"
Babban laughed and said, "No, this is a number pattern. Look carefully." Bhola and Meenu started to complete the number pattern. Children, do you understand the rule of this number pattern? Let us see what is unique in this number pattern. First, we will look at the first two numbers of this number pattern. How do we get 28 from 22? Exactly, by adding 6. And what do we have to do to get 21 from 28? Yes, we have to subtract 7 digits from 28. Have you got any rules so far? No? No problem. Let us look at the next number. What will we do to get 27 from 21? We will add 6 digits to 21. And how do we get 20 from 27? 7 is subtracted from 27. Children, do you now understand the unique rule of this number pattern? Well, you are thinking right. This number pattern is being carried forward by adding 6 once and subtracting 7 the second time. So, what do we have to do to fill this blank space now? That's correct. We have to add 6 to 20. What will it be? 26. And now what do we have to do to fill these other spaces? Yes, we have to subtract 7 out of 26. 7 less than 26? 19. Here we completed this number pattern perfectly by using the process of addition and subtraction. Meenu excitedly said,
"I have found another rule of this number pattern. If you look at the numbers written at odd places of this number pattern, you will find that the numbers written at these places are 1 less than the numbers coming before them. 1 is subtracted, as the number written in the first place is 22 and the number written in the third place is 1 less than that, 21. So, what do we have to do to get the number written in the 7th place?"
Meenu asked the audience.
That's correct. 1 has to be subtracted from 20. In this way, the number of the 7th place will be 19. Now, I looked at the numbers written at even number places and found that these numbers are also found to be subtracted by 1, like the numbers written at odd number places.
Children, can you tell what number will be in the 6th place? Exactly! In 6th place is 26, 1 less than 27. In this way, Meenu won the round by winning 10 points. Children, do you see the difference between the first rule used to solve this number pattern and the number patterns seen in the previous video? Yes, in the number patterns seen in the previous video, we were using only one rule of either addition or subtraction. But in this number pattern, we are using both addition and subtraction processes. Now Babban showed the contestants the second number pattern. Babban said, "You have to find the rule of this number pattern. Whoever finds it first will get 10 points. Meenu tried to use the addition process.
In this pattern, no rules can be made using the process of addition because different numbers are being added each time.
Bhola tried to use the subtraction process.
Here the numbers are in increasing order, so I can't use subtraction here.
Bhola and Meenu were in deep thought. Children, can you find the rule of this number pattern? If you want, you can stop the video and find the answer. The first number here is 4 and the next number is 40. If we use the process of multiplication, we will find what we need to do to get the number from 4 to 40. Exactly! We have to multiply 4 by 10. Let us now look at the next number, 400. What do we have to do to get a number from 40 to 400? Yes, 40 has to be multiplied by 10 once again. Oh wow, children! We have found the rule of this number pattern. To get the next number here, we are multiplying the number before it by 10. This time, Bhola correctly identified the rule of number pattern and won 10 points. Meenu and Bhola have scored equal points. Babban declared both Bhola and Meenu the winner of the competition and gave them the winning trophy. Everyone in the audience is clapping. Bhola and Meenu are happily dancing. Children, in this video, we learned to make number patterns by using some more mathematical operations.